Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Monday and I have some cleaning to do, but I also have some Etsy work to do and everything. Chance had to take the kids to school this morning because my car battery died. So hopefully we can get the new car battery today, get that fixed so I can actually drive somewhere tomorrow because I have some errands to run tomorrow. That's Cooper drinking his water. But I thought that I would share with you guys my Monday cleaning routine / work routine and kind of take you along for the cleaning and working that I do today. So I hope that this video is so motivating for you guys to get some things done and some things checked off of your list for today. Let me know what you have to tackle today so that I can encourage you to get it done. And I hope that you love this video. Make sure that you give it a thumbs up if you do, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new. All right, let's get to cleaning and working. So I'm starting off the day with my normal morning routine, and if you guys missed that last video, I posted my daily cleaning routine on my channel, and I'm just kind of doing that to start with. So I started out with washing some of our bathroom rugs, which usually I do start with a load of laundry, and I was using the Mrs. Meyer's laundry detergent and the honeysuckle scent, and then I also used some Clorox bleach just because they are bathroom rugs and I wanted them to be disinfected. And then I'm moving on to doing our bedroom, our master bedroom, and most days I will go ahead and make up our bed and pick up around our room and then go pick up in our master bathroom. To the kitchen and breakfast area, and that was just my stuff from doing my quiet time this morning before I actually started everything else. And I'm just going to pick up in here, and I forgot to run the dishwasher the night before, so I'm going to go ahead and start it this morning and unload it later. But because I don't like for dishes to sit in the sink all day, especially if there's a bunch of them, I decided to go ahead and hand wash the dishes that we have in here and put them up later. And as you can see, we have a ton of plastic cups, and that's because we use plastic cups for small group, and we usually do rewash them several times and reuse them, but they'd already been used several times, so we decided to go ahead and recycle them. So here I'm just showing you, I'm taking the cups to put them in this bin, and then once the bin is full, we usually go take all the stuff and put it in our big recycling bin that gets picked up weekly, or every other week, I mean. And then now I'm just cleaning out the sink. And now I'm using my e-cloth to do a quick wipe down of our breakfast table because the kids eat breakfast here every morning, so I'm just gonna clean it off really quick. And the last bit of cleaning that I'm doing this morning is just literally tidying up our living room. So I'll just pick up the blankets, put the pillows where they go, and then those are tiles that I'm working on for my cousin's wedding. So I was gonna finish those later in the day, so I just left them there on the table. I'm moving on to doing a little bit of my work for today, and this is where I was going to film my intro for my daily cleaning routine, which that video has already gone up, and as you can see, all I did was change my shirt. I just left my pants on since all you were gonna see was my neck up pretty much, and so I didn't want to change my pants for that reason. But now you can kind of see the behind the scenes of what we're doing. But this is a few of the equipment that I'm using. I do have 2 of these lights, but a lot of times the light is enough in my bedroom to where I only need to use 1 if I sit in front of the window. So that's what I did here. But I have all of my YouTube equipment and everything linked in my Amazon favorites below. So if you want to go check that out, you can see what kind of equipment I have purchased for my channel. I was done filming my intro for that video. I'd already edited most of the video before, and I just needed to pretty much add in my intro and then some of the voiceover and music. So I headed to the office and I finished doing all the stuff I needed to do for that video. Next, I needed to clear off some of this space right here, and this is just some of the kids' schoolwork, and I keep them in tubs. They each have their own little tub, and so I wanted to clean that off so I could get started on some of my Etsy orders. So then I just started on some of the shirts that I had to send out today, and I got all those done, got them shipped out, labels printed and everything, so I could mark that off my list. By this time, it was about 11:30, so I went ahead and sat down to watch one of my TV shows that I'm watching right now on Netflix. I'm watching Riverdale. I don't know if you guys have heard of it. It's pretty good, and it reminds me of Pretty Little Liars. If you guys have any favorite shows that you would recommend, leave them below. But I was just eating leftover pizza, and then after I got done eating, I went ahead and started a load of laundry and finished watching the rest of my show because the shows last about 45 minutes. And you probably just saw Chance walking in the background. He got home around this time from going to pick up a battery for my car, and I did get a new battery put in, and it's good as new. When I got finished folding all the laundry, I went ahead and put all the kids' clothes back into the basket and took it upstairs, and then put all of our clothes up, and I'll just put up the kids' clothes later in the evening. I usually do this right after they take a bath and we're all upstairs getting ready for bed. After that, I went back into the office and started editing another video, which is a what I eat in a day, and you guys will see that soon if you haven't already seen it. I don't know if I'm going to put that video up first or not, but that took me about an hour to finish. And then I went and got the kids from school, and right when we get home, we always do homework. So Gracie June's too cute. I had to show a little clip of her, but Chance had actually taken Kason to get his hair cut right when we got home, so that's why he's not here during this little clip. Next, I put a pack of ground beef in the sink to thaw out because I didn't realize we forgot to pull it out for dinner this morning, or yesterday actually. And then I unloaded the dishwasher because I told you guys earlier I ran it in the morning instead of my normal evening routine. And then I put any dirty dishes back into the dishwasher to wash later. decided to go ahead and change out my dish soap since I was almost out, and plus I just got in my last order from Grove and it included the holiday scent that I ordered. And if you guys have never used Grove Collaborative before and you want to try it out, they have a promotion right now where if you use my link down in the description box, you can get a free set of Mrs. Meyer's products and a red caddy. This is the first red caddy I've gotten from them. But they have 3 different scents. They have the peppermint, which is what I got, and then they have the Iowa pine and the orange clove, which I wish I would have gotten all of them to try, just to try them out. But if you've never used Grove before, you can definitely get these, and it'll come with a Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface spray, hand soap, and dish soap. But if you're already an existing customer, you can still use that link and get yourself a set of free walnut scrubber sponges with your next order. And I know that I always talk about Grove Collaborative in my videos, but that's because these are the cleaning products that I love and use every single day. And when you love something, you want to share it with the people that you know, because you want to make their lives easier and better. And I promise you guys, once you try these products, then you're going to love them. So now that I have my holiday scents out, I think it might be getting close to time for me to start decorating for Christmas. What do you guys think? Y'all let me know in the comments below when you start decorating for Christmas. I want to know. But I also wanted to show you underneath my cabinet, because I get lots of questions about what I have underneath my kitchen sink. So this is how I organize it. I have my dishwasher pods and then just the products that I use in the kitchen right here. And then I use my caddy to keep my sponges, my brushes, and my odor cleanse. And then this is my cleaning caddy that I actually use to take around the entire house. And then also a little bit of baking soda in the back. And don't hide away behind the scenes. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed hanging out with me while I clean and work today. This is kind of what I do most days. The routine kind of changes up a little bit. I have different things that I clean throughout the week, and of course different loads of laundry and all of that kind of stuff. But I'm getting ready to cook in just a little bit. We have a soccer game tonight, so I'm gonna go ahead and hang out with the kids before I have to start cooking and get a little bit of family time in. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and of course if you want to watch it again, you can always throw it up on your screen and clean along with me and listen to the music, get some things done. Definitely leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you get anything done today, if it motivated you, or if you have like a little routine that you guys do every day, whether you're a working mom, stay-at-home mom, work-from-home mom. I love knowing all the things about you guys and getting to know you in the comments. And I always respond to, or I try to respond to every single comment and just kind of chat with you guys down there. So definitely follow me on Instagram if you're not already. And if you did like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're new. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Tomorrow's gonna be okay.